If you're trying to get rid of flies and mosquitoes, I tested 3 different bug traps. One is best for kitchen, one is great for larger indoor spaces, and one is built for outdoor use. Let me show you the differences and then you can decide which one is best for you. All 3 devices, they need power to work. They need to be plugged in the power outlet in order to work. Now I will show you each of them. Let's start with the one on the left. Um, that device uses UV light at 365 nanometers. Uh, it has powerful suction fan which pulls insects onto the sticky pad. Also in the package you're gonna get 10 refill sticky pads. The device is safe around kids and pets. It's very quiet when it's on. Also, it covers common area like kitchen, bedrooms, offices, and living rooms. It can work continuously and uses a very little power. What I like about this device is its very simple design, it's very quiet, it's easy to clean, and it's great for fruit flies and mosquitoes. What I don't like is that uses sticky pads that need replacement every time before you turn it on. And the main disadvantage on these devices, it's only for indoor use. Now I want to say a few things about the device in the middle. Also has the UV light at 365 nanometers. It covers up to 50 square meters. Also, it has a strong suction fan like the first device. This device, what is different between the second device and the one on the left is that it has timer. You can set up a timer to 6 hours, 12 hours, or it can be just turn on. Includes also 10 sticky pads. I also like the design, it's a modern design. Uh, what I like the best about these devices that it cover larger indoor space compared than the first device. There is a built-in timer and also has very quiet operation. What I don't like is that you need to change the sticky pad every time before you use it, and also it's designed also for indoor use. The device on the right, what I like about this device is that it's best for patios, camping, or just spending time outdoor. It has 20 watts UV lamp. Also, it's weather resistant. It's great for indoor and outdoor use. There is a collection tray for easy cleanup, and also the power cord is 6.5 volt. Compared to the other 2 devices, there is no sticky pads that you need every time before you use it. It handles mosquitoes, flies, and other flying insects. Works well outdoor. And what I don't like about these devices that makes the typical zap sound when it catches a bug. Uh, and it's you can use it indoor, but it's not great for indoor use. So my opinion is that if you are dealing mostly with fruit flies in the kitchen, I will choose the device on the left. If you want maximum indoor coverage and if you want to have a timer setting, I will go with the device in the middle. But if your bigger problem is mosquitoes outside on the patio during camping trips, soccer games, or just when you are outdoor, the bag zapper is definitely the better choice.